Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Let's put the animals back where they belong. Are you ready? What animal is this? Yes, it's an elephant. Can you tell me what color this elephant is? Blue. Well done. Where is the elephant? Can you find it? Is this the elephant? No. Where is the elephant? Yes, it's over here. Well done. What animal is this? A lion. That's right. This is the lion's mane. What color is it? Yes, it's two shades of orange. It's got dark orange and a light orange. Where is the lion? In the middle. Is this the lion? Yes, that's the lion. Now let's do this one. What animal is this? A crocodile? That's right. What color is the crocodile? Green. Look at the sharp teeth. Where does the crocodile belong? Does it belong up here? How about down here? Yes, it belongs down here, in the water. Let's do this animal now. Tell me what animal this is. Yes, it's a toucan. What color is the beak? Brown, yellow, and orange. And he has purple feathers and white feathers. Where does he belong? Does he belong in the water with the crocodile? No. How about in a tree? Yes, he belongs in a tree. We have one more animal. Tell me what animal this is. Yes, it's a giraffe. Look at the long neck. And he's eating parts of the tree. He belongs over here. Tell me what color the spots are. Orange. That's right. Let's put him where he belongs. There we go. We've completed the puzzle. Thank you so much for helping me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.